So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay guys, we have with us confirmed specifications literally, and overall I'm going to be telling that when this smartphone is going to be launched, what is the pricing, and overall everything you need to know about this smartphone. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as we all know that the Redmi Note 9 Pro is finally certified in China. Okay, it is going to be a 4G smartphone, and first of all, now let me discuss regarding the processor. Okay, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has the MediaTek processor, the Helio G90T processor, which is a gaming centric processor. So you are getting great performance in terms of gaming, but the Redmi Note 8 Pro was having the overheat issue. Okay, it was not having the proper thermal adjustment, so the processor got overheated and hence the performance was not so as expected. So guys, Redmi is going to be offering or going to be opting for the Snapdragon 730G. Okay, they are going to be opting for the Snapdragon 730G, which is a gaming centric processor from Snapdragon, and it is a great processor overall. Okay, not just for gaming but overall normal usage, and just it gives you the buttery smooth experience. So the second factor which I want to discuss is regarding the battery life. Okay, the battery life is expected to be somewhere around 4500 milliamp hours, but I personally see like if Redmi will offer for a 5000 milliamp hours battery life, I think that makes a lot more sense. But overall 4500 milliamp hours is not bad. So the third portion has to be the display, because the display is going to be a attractive part of this smartphone, and the display here you're going to be getting a centric punch hole display. Okay, this is going to be a centric punch hole display, so it is an IPS display. We earlier thought that it will come with an Amoled display, but again Redmi has offered the Amoled with the more premium segment, and hence they are offering for an IPS display in the mid-range category. So overall, let me tell you, like this is going to be a great smartphone in terms of display even. Okay, the IPS panel might not be as true to black color as the OLED panel, but again like IPS display is also not bad. And guys, the overall, now let me come to the camera. Well guys, the camera setup is going to be very tricky, but because first of all the front camera is going to be of 32 megapixels, that is going to be a Sony sensor, and at the back there are going to be 4 cameras. Okay, there is not going to be a penta camera array, there is going to be a quad camera array, from which the main sensor is expected to be of 64 megapixels. Okay, now you will ask me like what about 108 megapixel sensor? But guys, 108 megapixel is reserved for the much more premium class smartphones, and hence like 64 megapixel is still enough for this smartphone. So guys, also this smartphone is going to be supporting the fast charger. Okay, it is going to be supporting a 33 watt fast charging, and so it is not the highest level out there, but it is always better than the 18 watt fast charger. And there is a source that say that Xiaomi will ship a 18 watt fast charger in the box, and just if you can use a 33 watt fast charger if you want. But I personally see like Xiaomi can easily put a 33 watt fast charger in the box, because Realme also offers this charger under 15,000 or even under 16,000 rupees category. So guys, the pricing of this smartphone is going to be starting at 15,000 rupees for the base model. Okay, 14,999 rupees, which is going to be for 64 GB ROM and possibly for 4 GB RAM variant. Okay, like they might introduce a 6 GB RAM variant, but we are not sure about that. And now let me come towards the launch date. Okay, this smartphone is going to be coming very next month. Okay guys, it is possibly coming in February itself. So guys, according to the recent reports, it has been expected that the Poco F2, okay, the Poco's F1 successor is going to be coming very next month itself, and I'm going to be making my next video regarding this smartphone. So guys, hope you have liked today's video. In today's video, I just wanted to tell you the latest news and overall near to perfect specifications. So guys, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.